Driving is a privilege that comes with great responsibility. Unfortunately, not all drivers take this responsibility seriously and put themselves and others at risk by driving recklessly. This is where law enforcement steps in. Police officers are trained to identify dangerous driving behavior and take action to prevent accidents and protect the public. In this video, we will explore 11 different techniques that police use to stop dangerous cars on the road. From traditional methods such as using sirens and lights to more advanced tactics like spike strips and pursuit intervention techniques, we will cover the various ways that law enforcement agencies across the world are working to keep our roads safe. So buckle up and get ready to learn how police stop dangerous cars. Let's envision a typical scenario of a police pursuit. Law enforcement officers engage in a chase with criminals, which can last anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, providing ample time for the perpetrator to engage in dangerous driving maneuvers or cause a collision. However, the use of a particular system on at least one police vehicle could significantly increase the likelihood of capturing the offenders. The concept behind this system is uncomplicated. It features a net attached to folding braces that, upon contact with a wheel, impedes the wheel from rotating. It takes only 5 minutes to reload the system, and the net can be detached from the cabin, allowing officers to pursue other vehicles if necessary. Additionally, the system does not hinder maneuverability, even in heavy traffic, and can be concealed easily for a surprise attack. The emphasis of the designers was on making the blocker highly mobile, and to achieve this, they equipped it with wheels. This feature enables easy transportation to the desired location. Once the blocker is in place, the wheels can be removed and the system can be installed. The height of the barrier can reach up to 1 meter, and it can be raised or lowered within 3.5 seconds or 1.5 seconds in the upgraded version. The blocker is compatible with PLC systems, which allows for automation of its operation. In case of an emergency, the barrier can also be controlled manually through a remote. Furthermore, by installing solar panels, this system can contribute towards preserving the environment. Following that, we introduce a product originating from Saudi Arabia that boasts the prestigious title of being the highest-rated mechanical tire killer available. The concept behind this product is quite straightforward. Once it has been installed, it restricts the vehicle's direction of travel to only one option. This feature makes it an ideal solution for security checkpoints. Moreover, there are 2 installation options to choose from, either protruding like a speed bump or flush with the asphalt surface. The standard model has a coverage of 1.2 meters of road and is equipped with 12 spikes that are 5 centimeters in height. Custom models can also be made to order. Although it may seem like a run-of-the-mill product, it is worth noting that this product has partnered with the likes of the Japanese multinational corporation, Kawasaki. The creators of a new product claim that it can safeguard an area from any type of motorized intruder, ranging from a car or a truck to even a tank. The design is based on a modified version of an anti-tank obstacle known as a check hedgehog, which consists of 2 interlocking X-shaped elements. The heaviest version of this product weighs 378 kilograms, while the lightest weighs 40 kilograms. They come in 2 different sizes, with heights of 0.7 and 1.1 meters respectively. These products are manufactured in the Czech Republic and have gained popularity in both Europe and the Middle East. The only unresolved issue is whether the creators will be able to obtain a patent for their invention. Looking for a quick, easy, and effective method to discipline those who park their vehicles illegally? One option available in the United States is known as the barnacle, which is essentially a windshield-mounted parking boot. To remove the barnacle, the driver must pay a fine and obtain a code. Attempting to drive away or forcefully remove the device triggers a siren, and the GPS tracker provides the police with the location. Furthermore, once the barnacle is removed, it cannot be left on the street. It must be taken to a designated spot, or another ticket may be issued. As of 2020, this approach has been tested in several U.S. cities with a price tag of roughly $5,000 per unit. Let's suppose there is a typical scenario of a police pursuit where law enforcement officers chase after criminals for 10, 15, or even 20 minutes. During this time, the criminal can make numerous dangerous maneuvers or even cause a collision. However, with the implementation of a particular system in at least one police vehicle, it would significantly improve the chances of catching the criminal. The concept of the system is simple. It consists of a net attached to folding braces. The net blocks the wheel from spinning when it makes contact with it. Additionally, reloading the system only takes 5 minutes, and the net can be unhooked from the cabin quickly, which is useful when the police need to pursue another car. The system's design does not interfere with maneuverability, even in heavy traffic, and can be easily concealed for a surprise attack. This corporation is a prominent supplier of perimeter security products and has gained the confidence of the U.S. military and an extensive range of business clients. Surprisingly, the company produces barriers that resemble volleyball nets, which are also utilized to halt vehicles. In trials, this technology successfully halted a 7-ton truck traveling at 64 kilometers per hour. It takes only a few minutes to reinstall the barrier after impact, and the entire system is so effective that some customers have utilized it for over 1 million cycles. Notably, notable companies such as Google, NASA, BP, and Shell are included in the customer roster. However, enticing a criminal to an area where a spiked ambush is set up may not always be feasible. In such situations, it is advisable to carry the spiked strips along. According to the developers, previously, multiple units, blockers, and helicopters were required for a chase, but now, only one police car and officer are adequate. The mobile spike system is the key to this efficiency. By driving alongside the perpetrator's vehicle, a spiked strip can be deployed under their wheels, causing the tires to deflate in just a minute. This system has already been used during real high-speed chases ranging from 24 to 161 kilometers per hour, and can be easily mounted onto older police cars thanks to its bumper mounting system. The concept is extremely straightforward. The police officer simply needs to approach the doubtful vehicle and attach it using the horns, which has various benefits, including the avoidance of a car chase. This is because suspicious drivers frequently stop upon request, wait for the officer to exit the vehicle, and then drive away. This method is so effective that it is not only utilized by law enforcement, but also by the military for removing stuck vehicles. Additionally, it serves as a powerful tool in the fight against car thieves who stole nearly 1 million cars in 2021, as the horns increase the chances of recovering the vehicle in relatively good condition. The creators of this suitcase claim that it is the only independent device that can swiftly stop any vehicle, from motorcycles to large trucks. Weighing in at 16 kilograms, the suitcase contains a hidden 4-meter-long spike strip that can be prepared in just 5 seconds. Law enforcement officers need only to place the suitcase on the ground, step back at least 100 meters, and press a button. Regardless of the terrain, including sand, gravel, snow, or even flooded roads, the suspect's vehicle will stop after 100 meters. Additionally, the spike strip can be retracted in a second to prevent damage to the pursuing police vehicle's wheels. This system is currently available for purchase on all continents except Antarctica. Moving on to our next item, we have the F-18, not the airplane, but rather a modular barrier. Despite its delicate appearance, this 1-meter-tall design is fully capable of stopping a 12-ton truck going up to 42 kilometers per hour. The installation process can be handled by just one person, and there is no need for tools or fasteners to secure it to the asphalt. The creators of the F-18 have also made sure to avoid sharp edges so that it doesn't pose a hazard to pedestrians and can be used safely in public events. The barriers come with convenient boxes for storage and transport, and if the customer is in a rush to install them, the manufacturer offers a turnkey service to make the process quick and efficient. Stop Stick's creators are prospering, as evidenced by the fact that more than 300,000 police vehicles have been fitted with the product. Stop Stick's design is relatively straightforward, featuring cartridges containing concealed needles affixed to a specialized base. This allows for a significant degree of flexibility in its application. For example, several bases can be linked together to span an area of up to 4 meters, or a single cartridge can be tactically placed near the targeted vehicle's wheel. With needles that measure roughly 5 centimeters in length, even self-sealing tires are unable to prevent their puncture. However, some commenters are expressing concern over the possibility of the automotive industry adopting airless tires, as Michelin is reportedly planning to release a production model as early as 2024. We hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of how police officers stop dangerous cars on the road. It's important to remember that driving recklessly not only puts yourself in danger, but also endangers the lives of others around you. As responsible drivers, we should always obey traffic laws and drive with caution to prevent accidents and keep our roads safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Stay safe on the road.